In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit our printing size guide in Adobe Photoshop. Once you open the PSD file, go ahead and delete the top layer to reveal the main image underneath. Everything in this file is fully editable: fonts, charts, and the text above the sofa. But first, let's switch the measurement units from pixels to inches. Click on Edit, Preferences, Units and Rulers, and select inches. The frames are built using the rectangle tool, with matching text on top of each. To edit a rectangle, click on the rectangle. Go to Window, then Properties. In the Transform section, enter your desired size, press Enter, and the rectangle will transform. You can also duplicate a rectangle and then edit the copy. Change the text, the font, the size, and the color. You can also turn off layers you don't want to display. Also, you can create new frames and build new rectangles using the rectangle tool. For the outer frames, I used a 14-pixel black stroke. For the inner guides, I used 12 pixels. Use any color you like. All elements are nicely grouped, so you can move them around easily. And don't forget that you have 8 bonus background rooms included. So go ahead, get creative and design beautiful size guides for your shop. Follow us on Instagram to be aware of news.